let's look at how to use JAIPilot AI agent to generate unit tests in Java. JAIPilot is an AI agent that helps you generate high-coverage, accurate, enterprise-grade unit tests for your Java classes with a single click. First, go to jaipilot.com, sign up, and get your license key. JAIPilot provides free credits, and you can top up credits whenever you run out. You can install the JAIPilot plugin from the plugin link here, or install it directly from the JetBrains IntelliJ marketplace. Next, copy your license key and open the JAIPilot plugin settings in IntelliJ. Paste your key and select the test directory where your tests should be saved. This is normally your src/test/java directory. You're all set. Just right-click on any class and select Generate Tests. JAIPilot will start generating tests immediately. JAIPilot creates a test plan, gathers context from your dependent files, and generates accurate tests with high coverage. Great, so let's see it in action. Let's generate unit tests for the mock producer class from Apache Kafka. As you can see, JAIPilot has started generating tests, and the agent updates are displayed in this console. JAIPilot autonomously runs your code and fixes both build and test execution errors. Great, the tests are fully generated. Let's run them now to check the coverage. Looks great. Go ahead and try JAIPilot yourself on IntelliJ. And please do leave a review. Thanks.